Welcome to Faith Christian Fellowship, also Father's House Family Church, where lives are raised, restored, and regenerated. Thank you so much for coming to our YouTube channel. As you scroll over our messages, I encourage you to do so, because each and every message is designed to meet your every single problem that you may have in life. You will never be the same as you listen to our program here. We really want to thank you. Again, after you watch, we want you to be a part of this. We want you to subscribe so that we can notify you whatever is happening at Faith Christian Fellowship or Father's House Family Church. We would like to let you know what's going on, so please subscribe. Also, if our messages have been a blessing to you, please be sure to be a partner and touch more lives as we spread the word of faith to the entire Africa. So we are so grateful. Eunice and I and my family, we are here to see that your life will never be the same. God bless you for turning us on, and continue. In Jesus' name, we love you.